Good morning, students. Welcome back to the last part of English Grammar, chapter number 11, Comparison of Adjectives. Children, yesterday we have discussed that there are 3 degrees of comparison in English. These are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Today we will learn change of degrees of comparison. The comparative and the superlative degrees of comparison of certain adjectives are formed by adding er and est respectively to the words. Example, high. Plus er, the word high changes to higher. High plus est, the word changes to highest. So high, positive degree, higher, comparative degree, highest, superlative degree. Example number 2. Tall, taller, tallest. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Now children, let us discuss the exercises given in the book. Exercise number A. Form the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives by adding er and est. Here, all the adjectives are given in their positive degree. We have to add er to change them to their comparative forms, and we have to add est to change them to their superlative forms. Sharp plus er, sharper. Sharp plus est, sharpest. Young, younger, youngest. Hard, harder, hardest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. So dear children, we have to add er to form the comparative and est to form the superlative degrees of adjectives. In short words with single syllable sound, we double the last consonant and then add the er and est. Example, big. We have to double the last consonant. Here the last consonant is G. So we will double G and then add er to form the comparative form, and we will double G and add est to make the superlative degree. Exercise number B. Form the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives by doubling the last consonant and then adding er and est. All these words are short words with single syllable sound. Example, hot, fat, wet, slim, flat, sad, fit. Remember to double the last consonant and then add er to form the comparative degree, and double the last consonant and add est to form the superlative degree. Fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fit, fitter, fittest. When the adjective ends in e, we add an r to form the comparative and st to form the superlative. All the adjectives that end in e. Example, brave, ripe, safe, cute, large, nice, feeble. All these adjectives end in e. So we simply have to add r to form the comparative degree and st to form the superlative degree. Example, safe, safer, safest, cute, cuter, cutest, large, larger, largest, nice, nicer, nicest. There are some adjectives that take more and most to form their comparatives and superlatives. Example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Exercise number D. Form the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives by adding more and most. Now children, here the base form of the adjective will be in the positive degree. All these adjectives are in the positive degree. We simply have to add more to the base form of the adjective to change to their comparative degree, and we simply have to add most to the base form of the adjective to change to their superlative degree. What I mean is, the base form of the adjective in the positive degree will remain the same. We simply have to add more in comparative form and most in superlative form. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Important, more important, most important. Fascinating, more fascinating, most fascinating. So, the base adjective in positive degree remains the same. We simply have to add more for comparative and most for superlatives. There are also certain adjectives that undergo a total transformation in the comparative and superlative degrees. Some adjectives have different forms in their comparative and superlative degrees. We don't add anything to them to change their degree. They are different adjectives. Some of them are good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most, much, more, most, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest. So these adjectives are completely different words. Question number E. Fill in the blanks with the suitable degree of the adjectives given in brackets. There are certain keywords by which you can understand which is the most suitable degree of adjectives. If you find the keyword than, this means the adjective will be in the comparative degree. And if you find the keyword the and all, this means the adjective will be in the superlative degree. Number 1. This sweater is dash than that one. Here we are comparing two sweaters. Two things. Example, two sweaters. So, as the base adjective is expensive, we have to understand that the word than is given means there is a comparison between two sweaters. Means comparative degree. So, the most suitable answer will be more expensive. Example number 7. The service of this hotel is the dash in the city. The base adjective given is bad. Now, search the keyword. The keyword here is the. This means we are discussing about the service of the hotels, of all the hotels of the entire city. That is, we are comparing all the hotels in the city. So the service is the worst. This means the answer will be in the superlative degree, and the superlative form of the base adjective bad is worst. So the answer will be worst. The service of this hotel is the worst in the city. The key word here is the. So, children, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. Thank you.